Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's tutorial, I have for you this amazing makeup look. I was trying a new palette today and I want to show you guys. So I really hope that you like this makeup look much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, this is really important. And also like this video if you did. So we're gonna start this makeup look, but I'm gonna show you the palettes first. And today I used the new Aurora Lights by BH Cosmetics. I love this palette so much. It's all shimmery eyeshadows, so I used another palette to complement the look as well. And this is the beauty. Oh my god, look at this. All the colors are so pigmented. As you can see, they are so beautiful and look so good in the eyes. But of course, as we don't have matte eyeshadows here, because the own name says this is Aurora Lights, we have to complement the makeup look using another palette, but no problem. So today, to complement the look, I used also the Ultimate Neutrals palette by BH Cosmetics as well, because also is affordable as the other one, and I wanted to show you guys from the same brand. And here we have all neutral eyeshadows. Also so beautiful. I really like this palette because it's so useful and neutral, and you can match with whatever you want. You can create any makeup look in neutral side, but if you match with a colorful palette, you have this amazing result. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, let's get started. And woo! Just to remember, I already did my skin and my brows. I'm gonna put the links here in the cards for you guys in case you're interested to see how I do it. And now let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply eyeshadow base, and this is the same as always, Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC. So I'm gonna apply using my clean finger all over the lid. Now I'm gonna apply below of my brows to highlight a light beige eyeshadow. Next, using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply my transition shade. Now I'm gonna apply a warm brown eyeshadow in my crease. And now I'm gonna kinda line my eyes using the gel liner Wicked by Sigma, and I'm gonna apply this gel liner in the lower lash line as well. And now with a short shader brush, I'm gonna just blend this eyeliner. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow right on top of this liner, and I'm gonna blend this shade. I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line as well. Now I'm gonna blend this shade using a clean brush. Now I'm gonna apply this beautiful green in the outer corner of my eyes, just beside of the dark brown. Next, I'm gonna apply the gold shade. And to highlight the inner corner, I'm gonna apply this pure nude shade. So now I'm gonna apply blush, and this is I Will Always Love You Love Flush by Too Faced. Look how cute it is. For highlighter, I'm gonna use Mirror Luminizer by The Balm. So that's it, my lovies. Thank you so much for watching. I really love how this makeup look turned out, and I love this palette as well. As you can see, the colors are so vibrant and very shimmery, but you can build the color as you wish. I really like the results, and I like how it feels in the eyes. I don't see much fallout in the palette, and this is what I like the most. It's a little different in texture, is a lot buttery. It's a baked eyeshadow, but the texture is so good to work with. So I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!